Raj, a quick comment, if you will, on news just coming in that the second bailout package may come as early as tomorrow. You expect more of the same, which was announced the first time around, or anything largely different? And also, what would your expectation be?
Thanks, Prashant. One of the things that I liked a lot in the last bailout package was the focus on taxes. I think the current obsession with the interest rates being taken down in the US and other OECD countries to close to zero, I think that could be very alarming in the next year or so, but I don't think anybody is thinking about that right now. So I think the focus that the package had in terms of rationalizing some of the taxes, I think that is something that needs to be carried through some more, especially in terms of indirect taxes. I think India does very well when you look at direct taxation vis-a-vis some of the OECD countries, but in terms of indirect taxes, I think there's some scope for further reduction. The idea being that instead of flooding the market with excess liquidity, which we'll have to deal with in terms of an asset bubble, maybe 3-4 quarters down the line, it's much better to sort of put the money back in the consumer's hands, where they can sort of decide on what sort of things that they need to buy into.
Raj, let's talk about certain sectors then. We've got auto, of course, which has been in a problem spot of late. Today, you got some movement in Ashok Leyland, but you also have fundamental news that there are plant shutdowns happening across the board. People are delaying production of vehicles and trying to keep inventories in close check. Do you look for a case of buying auto stocks at these valuations, or you feel the fundamentals far outweigh anything the government can do by way of salvaging measures?
I think it might be premature to buy into these counters right now. These at the point at which we are at in the economic cycle, autos tend not to do all that well. Although I was quite happy to see one of the speakers earlier spoke about the logistics vendors getting to see some more of the orders. So that might be a good sign for the demand to pick up. But as far as auto is concerned, it'll probably move up with a lag. Although the incentives that the government can bring on to effect any demand spurring would always be welcome.